Penguin confused Penguin. Yesterday, he accidentally played games for 3.5 hours straight. No breaks, no distractions, no loss of focus, nothing. But today, he sit down to do homework, and after 4 minutes, his brain suddenly decide that reorganizing his pencil collection is an urgent priority. This makes no sense. If Penguin can focus for 3 hours on games, why can he not focus for 20 minutes on homework? Penguin decide to investigate. First suspect, motivation. Maybe Penguin's simply more motivated to play games. Sounds reasonable. Except for one problem. Sometimes penguins spend 20 minutes scrolling for something interesting to watch. Not watching, looking. His brain's somehow willing to do boring work in order to avoid different boring work. Very suspicious. So Penguin continue investigation. Then he discovers something interesting. Games constantly tell Penguin he's making progress. Homework does not. When Penguin defeat enemy, ding, XP gained. When Penguin finish quest, ding, reward unlocked. When Penguin level up, big shiny celebration. Brain happy. Brain likes progress. But homework different. Penguin work for 30 minutes. Nothing happen. Still page, still questions, still suffering. Brain receives no signal that progress happening. Brain leave chat. This is because human brains are weird. Brain care less about actual progress and more about visible progress. Visible progress make brain want to continue. Invisible progress make brain want to escape. This is why video games have progress bars, achievement badges, unlocks, levels. Game designers know brain better than Penguin know brain, which honestly not saying much. So Penguin try experiment. Every page finished earn point. Every chapter completed unlock snack. Suddenly something strange happened. Homework's still boring, but brain stopped fighting quite as much. Then Penguin discovers second weird thing. Games always tell him what to do next. Homework often does not. Games say, go there, fight goblin, collect treasure. Very clear. Homework say, study chapter. Brain panic. Study what? How? Where start? When stop? Too many questions. Brain decide to watch videos instead. Turns out uncertainty feels harder than effort. Sometimes the hardest part of homework is not the work. It is figuring out what the work actually is. So Penguin stopped writing giant goals. Instead he write, read page 12. Answer question 1. Highlight 3 key points. Suddenly brain stop acting like it's seen a coast. Now Penguin understand. Focus is not some magical power. Games secretly use hundreds of tricks to make focusing easier. Clear goals, visible progress, immediate feedback, constant rewards. Homework usually have none of these. So if Penguin want focus better, he stopped trying harder. Instead he make work look more like a game. And surprisingly, it work. Not perfectly. Penguin still gets distracted, still makes mistakes, still somehow end up watching videos about medieval spoons at 2 a.m. But now he finishes things far more often, which for Penguin is massive progress. Penguin happy Penguin. And always remember, if a game can trick your brain into focusing for 3 hours, you can probably steal some of its tricks back.